Okay, so bottom of page 9, and instead we're going to look at some tricky examples where we are going to want to use this formula. dy by dx is dy by du times by du by dx. So one that always confuses people, sine to the power 4. Sine to any power always tends to confuse people. First of all, what you need to do is remember what that means. That means sine x all to the power of 4. So when you write it like that, hopefully you can see what function is inside what other function, and that makes it easier to deal with. I think it's that first step that is the bit that throws people, because it's not written like that. It's like, I don't know what to do, I don't know what's where. And hopefully like this you can see that the sine x is the function inside, so that's going to be the u. And that means we've got y is equal to u to the power 4. And you might be able to go, yeah, I think I can do that. See if you can. Pause it, have a go, see if your answer matches mine. If not, that's fine, just keep watching. So dy by du is easy to do. You've been doing that all year. Sine differentiates to cos, and then we're going to multiply these two together. So we've got 4u cubed. So 4 times sine cubed of x, because u is sine x, and then we need to multiply that by cos x. You might see it written 4 cos x times sine cubed of x, doesn't really matter. So the same thing. Okay, make sure you've got that written down, pause the video, have a go at you try. Okay, so assuming you've had a go, cos to the power 5x is cos x all to the power 5. And so we get minus 5 sine x cos to the power 4. So here I've written sine x before the cos to the power 4. As I said, it doesn't necessarily matter which way around you do that. Right, I'm going to do, let's see if I've got time to fit in the next example as well. To be honest, this is just like those ones we were doing at the beginning. I think just the way, again, it's the way it's written might be what throws us with this. So we've got 3x squared plus 2x to the power of minus 1, and then it's just like the first ones we were doing. So u is the function sine 3x squared plus 2x. And so y is equal to u to the power of minus 1. We differentiate both of those. That's just polynomial differentiation. You've been doing that since we first did differentiation. So du by dx is 6x plus 2. dy by, oh, it's not written dx. dy by du is minus u to the minus 2. Then we're going to want to multiply those two together. So that answer there works. We've got both, that is the correct answer, because we've got, I've written the minus first, then I've written du by dx, and then written dy by dx. Sorry, dy by du with the u in it. But we could write that in the following way, because we've got power minus 2, so we're kind of putting it back in the form it started off with. But if you don't like that bit, don't worry too much about that. Just make sure that you can get this right, this line here. Okay, so again, pause the video and then have a go at the you try. So I need to give you time to have a look at that. Right, assuming you've had a go at it. This is the answer you've got there. So again, this line here, if I can make the thing come up, this line here, oops, is fine, but we could write it like that, but don't worry too much about that, that's a little bit trickier. Okay, I'll stop there and do the next examples in the next video.